Today in the shop we got my friend's 2015 Mustang GT, and this car is pretty sweet. He's got it wrapped, and I'm a big fan of it. And we've got to go ahead and do a couple things. The exhaust needs some love. You might be able to see that the right side exhaust tip is, pointed down a little bit, so we got to fix that. And it needs an oil change, so we're gonna go ahead and hop into it. One goofy thing is that this car is really low, so even my low pro jacks, they don't fit. Look at this. Boom, they hit right there. But if we look right down here, there's this trailing arm in the suspension. I think I can get this jack up in there just far enough to catch the edge of that. Not enough to really jack the car up, but it'll get the car up high enough so that I can get my second jack in underneath this skirt. Why is that? Now that I've gotten the car up on the jack stands, you can really see what I was talking about when I said this exhaust was pinched. Additionally, this thing's had some pretty trash exhaust work done to it. There's welds all over this that just look absolutely terrible. But before that, we gotta do the oil change. So close. Not a drop. First try. Now while the oil drains, we're gonna come and look at this exhaust right here. You can see what I was talking about. Something hit this thing on the highway and it's crimped off pretty bad. This is a 2.5 inch elbow we're gonna get welded in here for this guy. And we're also gonna have to go get an O2 sensor bung and an O2 sensor for it, because that one is just snapped right off. Get this guy going down the road. Pipe in where I think I want it, and before I do any welding on the car, I'm going to go ahead and take the ground cable off, because welding causes a lot of electrical high frequency noise and it sometimes can cook computers, and I don't want anything to do with that. We're going to get that sucker burned in. Got the exhaust pipe welded in there, got the O2 sensor in, and we're about to give her a first fire up. Well, that is a wrap for Jonathan's car. Big thank you to him for letting me take it for a drive at the end there. That was a lot of fun. And yeah, on to the next one. Got to do oil change on this car. And happy wife, happy life. I got to prioritize your car at some point. So here we go.